What's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to go over a tablet and cell phone stand, or actually not really a stand, kind of like a bowl and like something that can sit on your lap. This thing looks really cool. I want y'all to check this out. And just looking over it here, the color on this thing is pink. The dimensions is 270 by 145 by 320 millimeters, that is. The total weight, 1740 grams, and it's from the company Viozon. And it'll work on a cell phone from 4.7 to 6.7. I have my iPhone here, and a tablet from 7 up to 12.9. I do have a tablet, and we'll show that in there. So I took it out of the box here. Let me just take it out. Everything in the box. You get a little letter here. Put the box aside down here. Taking it out of this. This thing looks really good. And it's right away, it's this very plush filling liner on it. The bottom, it kind of screws together like that. So this would sit down in your lap like this. Then you would take these things right here. This quality on this feels really good. It's a very nice quality feel to it. Very sturdy. And then this right here. Take this out. So you're going to loosen that up. Lock that in. And then throw that in. And this kind of looks like a little GoPro mount right here. What you're going to do, see how it just kind of locks into place? Does that not look good? This looks really good. And then there's a few ways you can do this. So I can run my cell phone just like this. And then I would adjust it down and up, or loosen it all up a little more. I can go really far down like that and tighten it, and then lower it like that. So that way I can set this on my lap. I've got, like, I can eat some snacks, have some snacks or something right here in the bowl, lift it up, and it gives me a little more room. And it holds my cell phone really good right there. Let me throw a tablet in it. This is a 11-inch tablet, and you can put the tablet in there just like that. That is awesome. Actually, it's so much. Let me tighten it up right here. You can see right here, it holds this is an 11-inch tablet, so this is a massive tablet for something this small, and it'll actually hold that. You can rotate it like that and have it sit here like this, so I could pretty much watch a movie and then have my snacks and everything right here. This is something that's for anybody that's kind of like lounging around and they just want to have a good spot, because a lot of people nowadays watch their cell phone as their media device, whether it's YouTube, Netflix, or something like that. A lot of times I'll just use my tablet here instead of using like my TV. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Viozon cell phone and tablet holder. See y'all in the next video.